how to sending a gift message on Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the latest version to install. This ensures that you have access to all the new features. Open the Instagram app and tap the message icon in the top right. Select the person you want to send a message to. Start typing your message and you will see a search icon to the left of the text box. Tap on it, then swipe through the options at the top until you find Gift. Select it and your message will be sent inside an animated gift box. When the recipient receives the message, they will see a wrapped gift. To read the message, they need to tap on it and the box will open to reveal the text. This feature only works for regular text messages. It does not support images, videos, or links. If you do not see the gift option, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. That's it. That's how you can solve sending a gift message on Instagram.